Gather your materials to create a simple busy bag activity that strengthens fine motor skills and is great for your preschoolers. You need foam sheets, Velcro fasteners, scissors, and your glue gun. Start by cutting each of your sheets into 3 equal strips. Now attach the Velcro fasteners together and cut them into small squares. Add the fastener to one side at the end, flip it over, and add the attachment to the opposite end and side. Now attach the foam in a circle. Continue to add new pieces through each new loop. Your kids will love making different color patterns and adding length. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.